Today we are making Quiche Lorraine. If you want to impress that special lady in your life, then this complex looking easy meal will do just that. Make sure to please like and subscribe to our channel to keep these recipes coming. We start off with making the phyllo cups. Grab a pair of scissors and cut the phyllo pastry into equal squares. When working with phyllo pastry, always keep it covered to prevent it from drying out. Once that is done, grab a greased muffin pan and stuff the layered pastry inside. You can layer about 3 sheets in diamond shape, just like I'm doing. Do not stuff it all the way, just layer it at the top so that it does not get stuck at the bottom of the pan when you bake it. Cover it with a damp cloth so that it does not dry out. Time for the filling. In a bowl, crack 6 eggs, add the spring onions, chives, Parmesan cheese for creaminess, next is the heavy cream or double cream. Add just enough to thicken the mixture. Salt for taste. Lastly is the sun-dried tomatoes. I used marinated tomatoes. Chop them however you like. I prefer using a scissor, and I love to throw in some of that marinated oil for added flavor. Mixed all of that and it should look something like that in the end. Time to fill the cups. Fill about 1/3 of the cups so that it does not spill over when you bake it. Make sure you scoop everything in there. Then shred the mozzarella cheese and place it on top just like that. Lightly brush the pastry with some oil and bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees or until the mixture inside has set and the pastry has become golden brown. And it should look like that when it comes out of the oven. Tasty, doesn't it? And crunchy too, very crunchy. Let's make a quick side salad. In a bowl, add halved cherry tomatoes, apple cider vinegar, salt, olive oil, fennel grass, and the rocket leaves, and mix all of this together. This side salad pairs perfectly with the quiches. There is nothing worse than eating dry food, and this also adds a lovely pop of color when serving the quiches. I have made these quiches as a starter, for breakfast, for brunch. It really suits any occasion and it is a crowd pleaser every time. Always add some garnish and it is ready to be served. Now it's time to enjoy the meal. Come back this time next week for another Mother's Day inspired dish. If you have not already, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, let's kitchen it.